Okay. Whew, it's a nice, beautiful, hot day today. So, we are here fixing on my raggedy ass Kia that broke down on me in Columbus on the highway while I was driving. And it just cut off at 80 plus miles an hour. That's what we're going to say it was. Might have been a little faster than that. But, however, the engine seized up. And we have taken off the piston rings. And this is one of them. It has melted to the piston, as well as this one. And it has to be pried off. Just like for you all to see this, so you know not to fuck with a Kia or a Hyundai, even though they may have changed their motors. If you're not the first owner with the initial 100,000 mile warranty, they want to take you through hell to get it replaced.
Don't let too much.
Okay. And this one melted on as well. And seized up the engine. Let's see. Get a clear shot. Yep. And that's just one part of it off of one piston. So
There's a lead up here, but
this vehicle has less than 60,000 miles on it.
speeds up for sure. Diesel.
Gotta be pried off. And they supposed to just spin around and around. But it has welded itself. Because they sorry asses won't do shit right the first time. And they knew that they had this problem for many years. Okay, and this is the second part. So this came off of one piston. This came off of another one. And we are going to try to see if we can hopefully turn the engine by hand. But if not, we know that it's some more that are messed up. But now we know what the culprit is, why the fucking vehicle stopped.
That'd be good.
Still won't turn. What?
Same position. That's position 1.
Okay.
I started with 2 and 3. You hear me?
Yep.
Don't mix them up.
I'm not. And this one, this is up high. This is unreal. Is it inside of there?
Yeah. That one in there. Don't look so good, but it's in there.
And then the whole thing in there.
See the bearing on it? It's sharp.
Okay, so this is
That journal look alright.
the bearing. This is how it's supposed to.
This is the color on the side of it.
This does not have a color. But this is where it's supposed to be when you take it off. It's not supposed to be welded to the piston up there like the other two are. But still don't look good. So I'll be back. And we are back. And this is going to be the last piston.
And they point you no mobile guard to Rick and Larry and Diane.
And seized on there too.
From the very second. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I see that.
Alright, and that one is right there by the screw, with the screw on top of the bolts. You see it? Right here.
Yeah. Look at all them grinds in there.
See?
This is 4. Where 3? Where
3.
1? Where 1?
Okay, so get a good angle. This, I'll put you down here. This is a whole bunch of metal fragments and grindings in there. If you can see that, it's grayish, goldish with metal, a whole bunch of metal shavings in it, like my oil pan had. So, and this one is seized on like these were, and melted on like these. So that's one that's melted and broke, 2 that melted and broke, this one melted and broke and seized the engine. Hopefully this will.
Yeah, turning.
It's turning.
Yeah.
Yay, the motor's turning.
Yeah.
By hand. You raggedy motherfucker. I hate y'all kids.
Yeah, turning. Yay.
Yay. Never, ever, ever. I don't give a damn how good the price is. Never buy a motherfucking Kia. I don't care if they're giving them away free. Don't do it. Because these raggedy motherfuckers don't last no time whatsoever. Wait a minute, let me get down, back down here. Okay, let me see. Mm-hmm. Where's the part that was seized on? It's still up there.
All these motherfuckers see though. Except this one.
Yeah. Where's the broken part of it? It's still up there? I see the part of it right there by the wrench. There. Right there by the thing you just moved. By your head.
Yeah, that one. Too. I don't want to mix this shit up so you can move around too fast. Oh, I ain't got the bottom part out yet. Let me see where it's well. You know it won't, but don't crank down.
And this one was welded on as well. So that's 3 out of 4 that got welded on and left us stranded in Columbus until I was able to get my vehicle towed home. And it sat for quite some time waiting for Kia sorry asses to come get it, but never came. And then wanted to give me the runaround about it. And then we just decided to do some homework and figure it out. And this is the end result. Got it figured out, got it broke down, and this raggedy SOB is finally, you can turn the motor with your hand. So I'm gonna make another video when I clean it up. Fast recording. Okay. So these came off of the pistons again. We have burnt and seized. Burnt and seized. That one was the only one that didn't seize up. Burnt and seized. And they were not the main bearings. Fucked up, but it's a long process to do this. So until tomorrow, we'll see you guys later.
I gotta record.